How's it going, YouTube? Welcome back to another episode of Fishing with DYang. Today I plan on frogging. I don't know if the frog bite is there. We do have a storm rolling in around 3-4 o'clock, so that gives me about 6 hours to fish, right? I'm out here, it's 9 o'clock, and I don't know how it's gonna go, but it's going to go. We're gonna have some fun. We're out here just to bass fish, just enjoying this time. I'm just enjoying this time of mine, right? Like, just still soaking everything in, just enjoying that I'm doing this full time now, and I'm really excited. I thank you guys so much for always supporting me. Hopefully I can deliver some awesome content for you guys, and yeah, let's get to it before the storm rolls in, and I'll see you guys out in the water. All right, so I'm just gonna fish around the area here for a little bit because I'm waiting for Dave anyways, one of my buddy. Let's see here, let's see what he says. He's coming from a little ways. Oh, he's not coming. Shoot. Yep, he's not coming anymore because again, like we said, it is supposed to storm later-ish, so I don't want him to come in. It's storming like crazy, you know. So yeah, it'll just be me and you guys. So we get to do whatever we want today, guys. Whatever we want. I'm not sure if it's frog time yet, you know? Maybe we're still kind of just cruising around. Got him! Jeez, I was not paying attention. What the heck? Yeah, first froggy. I was not paying attention, but okay. Oh geez, I'm still fixing the trolling motor. Okay. Nice. Little guy. That's crazy. See ya. Oh jeez. He was under the dock. The heck? He missed. That's crazy. Oh shit. Go shallow, go shallow. Go shallow. Jeez. Jeez, they almost freaking drowned. Almost sunk the boat. Alright, since we made it to the other side now, I think they're over weight limit with the pontoon there, and they almost went in. That was some scary stuff. I stayed around just to make sure they're okay. That way I can go like save them, you know, be a hero and win a city award or something. I don't know, but yeah, that was dangerous, man. They should really look into the weight capacity again. Yeah, they almost went in. That was some scary stuff, guys. Scary stuff. I do not want to see anybody drown and die, because that'd be no bueno. Jeez, did somebody trim the lake here? We gotta hide from this wind too. This wind is crazy. From my experience, the big ones that we caught in the past, like 7-8 years ago, we caught them on docks, like under docks. Because you go out there, you catch those 2-pounders all day, you know. But when you target these isolated areas, the big ones, they hang out in this stuff for some reason. Got him. That's a big one. I'm just telling you guys that. Let's go. Didn't I say that? It's not a big one, but still good fish. That's what I'm talking about right there, guys. Like, he's not that big, but he's better than what you'll catch out there. Out there, there's a lot of like little things. Jeez, okay. I don't have too much of them. All right, here we go. That's the 14-incher. Better than those little ones earlier. don't know if there's any bass here. Got him. Jeez. Oh, dude blew up out of nowhere. Oh gosh. Man. Hit me last minute. I'm just like, I don't know if there's any bass here, but these little guys eating frogs like this. Woo! No, not a big one, but I'll take it. Jeez, relax. These are so freaking feisty. Oh, it popped off. Oh yeah, got him out. There he is. Ow. So feisty, and they all have really big heads. Yeah, they're all pretty much that size right there. See ya. Ah, so much of these little ones. Got him. Yeah. Nice. They're all so skinny. Yeah, on that Finesse jig. Really skinny fish, it's weird. Woo! Get in the boat. Oh yeah, on that Finesse jig. Nice. There you go. Little dude. Like all the other ones. Oh, rock bass. Almost whacked him out of the water. Good. Oh, gee. Good. I was gonna say good eats, but never mind. What the heck? Got a nice warmouth. Oh, geez, relax, relax. Look at that fish. This Finesse jig is coming in clutch. This Finesse jig, man. Jeez. I'm telling you, this Finesse jig is coming in clutch. Oh my gosh, thank God for mystery tackle box. I got it. Definitely gonna be ordering more now. Oh my gosh. That's a nice one. Ah, yeah. Much better. Oh my gosh. Much better. On the Finesse jig. There you go. Nice bass. That's actually good for this lake. I'm just letting you guys know. Oh gosh. Jeez, got another one. He's not that big, but they are fighters. Sorry for a bad view, guys. I'm just trying to get some fish in. What the heck? Wrong hand, but it works. I didn't know he was on. Okay. Jeez. Okay. Much better. Little guy. Little guy. Hey, another one. Whoosh. That was a freaking walk going up this hill, but we are wrapping up for today. It was a good outing. We caught a lot of bass. You know, it wasn't like anything crazy, nothing big like 3-4 pounds, but caught a bunch of like dinks and 1-2 pounds. I learned a bunch of new stuff. I didn't know that Finesse lure was that effective. Like, it was that good that I'm gonna order some more on Carl's Bait and Tackle because it was just that good. Like, that was dope. So I hope you guys learned something new today. Finesse jig came in clutch. I went in with the idea of like frogging. It was just way too windy. I couldn't frog. So sometimes this is how it goes. So that being said, I'll see you guys next time. Peace. I gotta make this turn. Alright, there you go.